0 out of 0. Well, that's a bugger. How do I use this is enabled? That's okay, that's in draw item. Maybe I can draw the item myself. How do we draw it here? How do we make the menu here? Where do we draw the item? Okay, where was I? I'm trying to figure out why this won't just boil down. I guess we really don't want it to go down, and I don't even know what I'm talking about. I guess we don't want it to show the numbers after all, because this would be kind of broken then. So let's just get rid of the number. We don't draw a number. Let's try something here. When we set this up, let's go to make good array. Unique ID. We're going to call it unique ID and we'll just give it a number. Got a feeling this won't work, but it's worth testing out. Yeah, when we get this item array, let's make it let let unique ID is equal to the machine item, and I think this is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So later on, when we are displaying these, yeah, I've got a feeling this is just going to be taking this. How do we do this then? Hmm. Instead of that, I guess it's just index is essentially what we're catching here. So we'll say index equals I. Let current array equal that. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. Do it like I was doing it already. I don't think we need this though. So is enabled. This is where it's going to be tricky. Maybe we don't even need item. Maybe we just need index. Um, so the way I'm thinking this will work is instead of removing something from the array, we'll just set it to null. So when we're checking if this is enabled or not, we'll pass in the index only. We'll build an item array from what currently exists in the machine. And if it's null, it will return false and it won't be enabled. But if it is something, it will return true and it will be enabled, showing written in white instead of grey. So now I need to find where we set is enabled. Item list. Right, so enabled. Where do we use this? Raw item. Interesting that we get index. We'll just overwrite that entirely, but make sure it's within our item list. Because we're not actually removing skills, this will seem really just like nothing for now. These should all be enabled. Undefined. Is item array also nothing? Is that the whole problem? Maybe it's just earlier code that just doesn't work. Alright, so that is quite slow, isn't it? Making this array every single time. I guess it doesn't have to. Gacha data dot get machine data. So machine data current index. If that equals null, then that's us. What is that doing? doing that? 492. Oh, we're logging the data. Nine undefined. Is index even a thing? Still passing through an item. Oh, hold on. So I was overwriting what I was trying to overwrite. Now they're all enabled. So then the next big thing is if I hit play, and then figure out what to put on this screen. On category, okay. What is the category? Category window. Current symbol. Category window dot current symbol. It's buy. Then do this and return. Otherwise, do that. So let's see. Let I equal get current item quantity. Get gacha stock count, I think is what we're looking for. Now this isn't quite right anymore. How do we do this again? Let's see. Filter. Yeah, item and then some kind of thing. So MI for machine item. Um, and an MI, I guess. So only include it if MI exists. If MI is null, that should not include it. I'm hoping. How do I do a random number in JavaScript? Let's see. Both inclusive, okay. Yeah, we don't want it to be inclusive. So, this is console log what I think the result would be. Gotcha. Machine data equals gotcha data dot get machine data. That's the resulting item. And then we set it to null and we see if everything just works. Oh, no, it won't work actually. This definitely won't work. Um, we get a stock count. So say it's 1 to 9 or 0 to 9, and then it takes away 0. Then the stock count is going to say, well, now there's 8 things. Or now there's if there used to be 9 things, now there's 8 things. So it's going to go from 0 to 8, but we've already taken away 0. Do we just keep spinning until it gets something? Oh, that's very wasteful and could be a long time in theory. Ah, it should, instead of grabbing the number,